Hi everyone, welcome back to another interesting video. If you're watching for the first time, I'm Rashmi. Welcome to Rashmis Vlog Life Family. Have a great day ahead. This video is like a video which I want to post almost like last year 2018 itself, but I couldn't able to post it. But I thought I should post in early 2019, but I didn't. After a long time later, I decided to post this video. I don't know how you people will react to this, but I'm shooting this on November 2nd, 2019. Watch till the end. I'll be announcing for a giveaway contest. We all love to watch these kind of haul videos, like a massive haul video, huge haul video, like for makeup or lifestyle or any organization or even for skincare or everything. Every categories we love to watch haul videos. So this is a haul video. A quick disclaimer, this is a video, this is not a sponsor video, solely I bought for myself, and this is not a show off or budge you people. We all enjoy watching a haul video. We all enjoy watching a haul video, so I thought I should do my haul video, which took so many, almost a year and a half to upload it. And all these products what I bought collected in a period of time. I didn't buy at a time together in one day or overnight. So I bought this in a period of time. So let's get into the video. I had a confusion whether to upload this in brand wise or like a specific category wise. Then I thought if I go with the brand wise, definitely I will forget it. But how many products I have, so I thought I will go in specifically in category wise. So let's get into this video. Let's dive into the actual product. I have Hourglass Cult product. This is a very transparent setting powder. I have heard many things about this particular one. The packaging, everything is so stunning. I love this one. I have from Becca, this one is Hydra Mist Set miniature one. I have Laura Mercier translucent powder miniature version, and the sponge also. I have Fenty Beauty too. This is in the shade Honey. I bought for my mom this shade. In foundation I have Anastasia Beverly Hills stick foundation in the shade Amber. See, I'll talk about specifically for a shade how you can pick in online this kind of thing. So this is the shade. This is how it appears. I love the stick. So I'll put a clip here. I posted a picture in Insta using this particular foundation and the Hourglass powder. I used it, and I bought one for my mom, Estee Lauder. This one is Deep Spice. I love the packaging. I have mini only because mini is enough for me, enough for us. So look at the packaging. And I have one for me from Marc Jacobs. This one is Shameless Youthful Look 24 Hours Foundation in the shade Tan Y 420. I wanted this for so many. When it launched that time itself, I was waiting to get this one. This one is Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation in the shade 4N. I love this foundation. I have used this many times. Stunning one. This is enough for me. You get a spatula in this. Alright, we are going for concealer. I have one from Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Tan. Perfect highlighting shade for me. One in the shade Butterscotch in Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Their cult product. This one is for my dark circles or correcting skin correcting shade I bought, and two I bought from NARS. This one is Radiant Cream Concealer in the shade Command, medium to dark shade 3. Stunning one. I just love this one. This particular foundation, this particular concealer, many people spoke about this. This is one of the cult product, and this one is Ginger Medium 2. This is like highlighting purpose I bought. Let's dive into eyeshadows. eyeshadows. Okay, the very first one I opened this one. I can't open this because when it came in transition, it came a little broken and scattered, but I will show you later. This one is Morphe's 3502 Second Nature palette. Stunning one. I have heard many things about this Morphe palette. That's why I bought. Okay, the one I wanted to buy for myself. This is Urban Decay Alice in Wonderland theme, but Alice through the looking glass. Let me open and show you. So these are the shades. They mention it in the back side. I wanted this for so long. So if you open this, you get a mirror here, and you get a wording seeing this. I am not stronger, dear, of not Tracy. My reality is just different from yours. So if I pull this right, look at this. If I pull this right, look at this. Okay, you can see this. Stunning, now. And if I open this, the shade comes in a 3D form. This I wanted it for so long. And they gave two-sided brush also. Thank you, Maliki. Take me back to basics. This is from BH Cosmetics. Probably if you're following me in Instagram, you would have seen me a colorful eye makeup look. I'll put a picture here. Previously, if you saw the Urban Decay eye potion, that time also I would have posted that pic. So I bought this one last year. I think in March I bought a colorful. When I had a choice to pick Morphe, Morphe colorful palette or BH Cosmetics, I thought I should buy this one because this has so many shades compared to the Morphe one, and I love the pigmentation in this. I have not two, but is anything else? Okay, I have almost 5 from Makeup Revolution. This one is Eyes Like Angel. These are the shades. And this one is Revolution Flawless 4, and these are the shades. And this one is, you have seen me in older videos. And this one is Revolution Reloaded New Trials. And this one is Rose Gold Palette. I'll put a clip here. Probably I would have posted it up. I attached the clip for that Anastasia Beverly Hills. That time I used this particular Rose Gold palette. Along with, I have used MAC Burgundy eyeshadow last year. So these two are stunning combo. Okay, this one is from MAC. So I have 3 sets from this 3 sets from Bad Habits. So one is Afterglow, Aftershock, After Us. So these are Huda Beauty's dupe. I had a choice to buy Huda Beauty, or I thought I should try Bad Habits because not that Bad Habits. This particular brand because I have heard many things about compared to Huda Beauty. These have very good high pigmentation. So I bought this and literally this nailed it. So I don't feel bad buying. And I have LA Girls eyeshadow palette in neon. And I bought one from Savannah. I have an empty pot from Anastasia Beverly Hills to fill it. So these kind of things I can attach in this. That's why I have one. So I have bought one from Too Faced. This is a glitter palette, glitter bomb. So this is how the shades appears inside. Stunning one. So I bought one from Violet Was. These are the shades in this Fruit Sorbet. I have one from again Urban Decay. This is Naked palette, and I have one from Smashbox. This one is Cover Shot Eblaze eye palette. I have from Tarte. These are the shades. This one is Tarte Flirt palette. This one is many people would have spoke about this. almost a year and a half I am having Wet n Wild Rose in the Air. Very stunning one. And this one is Gigi's eyeshadow palette from Maybelline. I had 3 Colourpop single coat eyeshadow one. While shipping it got broken, I think so, somewhat scattered. I have saved 2 for the last. Before that I will show this one. How stunning. This is from Lime Crime Pocket Candy. I love the shades in this. So pastel. Okay, the last 2 which I saved is Natasha Denona's single eyeshadow palette, and then Natasha Denona's Lila palette. I just love the shades, so stunning. I'll show you. Let me show you this one. So these are the shades. So stunning one. So this I bought is like single eyeshadow is enough for me whenever I travel. Minimalistic. I travel with particularly this eyeshadow. I love this one for almost several months. We have came to the final section. I don't know how many minutes it's going, but I'll see if I can reduce into part 2. I can. So I bought, last time you would have seen me with different brush cleansers, automatic. Now I bought this one. So this one is a Sony cleanser. So I bought this particular one. So this has variation on, off, and you have a charging port. Backside this is a waterproof, and almost I think year and off. Probably I bought this one in starting of 2018. I just bought for my ingrow hair. For that reason I bought this, and also for doing it in to remove the blackheads. So this has a 5 levels. It goes maximum, and you can use it like Android charging pin. I wanted this paste. I wanted this rose gold color. That's why I opted this. This comes in some variation also. So this comes with nozzles. Quite different nozzles. Stunning one. And these are kind of electronics and also brush I'll be showing. And this one is from, this is a Jade facial scraping and massage. So yeah. So this one I bought. So chill. And also this one facial scraping and massaging. So you can use this way. Definitely I'll do all the reviews very soon for all these products. Just saying this is not to judge anyone. We all love makeups and all those things, so I thought of posting this. And this one is electric rotating makeup brush. One is foundation brush. You have to put a battery inside and it will rotate. You can do foundation. Another one is blush brush. I think this is so effective. I have bought 2 brushes. This one is from Real Technique. This is a powder brush, and this one is from Sigma, a round kabuki brush. This is FA82. Almost I haven't used this, but I bought this one last year August. I think, I don't know the date, but in August I bought this. And this one also similar time I bought, maybe in May I bought, but still I haven't used this particular one. But in 2018, one of the best investment I done is this Sigma brush and Real Technique brush. Still I didn't use this. I will be using. And I have bought final product in this video is this one. This is like makeup brush, electric cleaning one. So I bought in a pastel. So I bought in a pastel pink one. I'll do a detailed video for this particular video. Guys, this is we came to the final part of this video. So like I said in starting, I'm gonna conduct a giveaway in this video. We will be conducting a giveaway contest. I'll be I don't know whether when I will post this video, maybe before my birthday or after my birthday, or I don't know when I will post. But I'm so scared to post this video. I don't know how people react for this. That's why. And so in this giveaway I'm gonna give selected lipsticks from Urban Decay, a Kat Von D, Anastasia Beverly Hills. Too Faced lipstick. So I'm gonna give 4 beautiful lipstick shades. All you have to do is you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you have to comment below this video why you deserve this, and upcoming videos, what sort of videos you wanted, and like this video. And same comment what you post in YouTube, you have to post in my Instagram. I'll be putting my Instagram handle here, Rashmika Sampath. You have to follow there also. And upcoming videos or previous videos, you have to go and comment how you like this, or how you enjoy these videos. If you want me to change, or if you want me to upgrade, any suggestions regarding, you can comment below the videos. I'll be seeing. So I think, I don't know when I will post this. When I'm posting this, from that till 1 month or 1 month I'll be conducting it. So I'll be writing down, and you can see the details in the screen when I'll be posting this video. So from that till a month I'll be conducting. This is the first giveaway video I'm doing it in the channel. I thought I should do it in a bigger way or a different way. That's why. So all these high-end lipsticks will be given to 4 different person. Don't worry if once the giveaway is over, the rule is you shouldn't unsubscribe. Just for the giveaway purpose, you are not supposed to follow this channel. I'll be conducting giveaways in upcoming videos too, like next month. So I'll keep a face for the giveaway. Upcoming videos also I'll be planning it. So all you have to do is you have to follow the channel for subscribe, hit on the bell notification button, and also follow my Instagram handle Rashmika Sampath K, and comment there, like there also. And the winner, I'll be picking it from both Instagram and also from YouTube. Okay. So we have next to Becca, I have 2 from Cover FX. So this one, this one కండిపా పౌడర్ ఇది వేస్తాను ఖచ్చితంగా. This one is Charlotte Tilbury's. So this one is Charlotte Tilbury's medium to dark tone. So this one is Too Faced Sunny Bunny Natural Bronzer.
I love this song, I don't know why.
Kandipa idla varunda. This one is Too Faced Chocolate Soul medium to deep matte bronzer. If you want to see any reviews on detailed depth on any brand or any cosmetics, you can comment below this video. And also, if you like our channel, then subscribe. It's free, and share with others too. And thank you so much for watching Rashmis Vlog Life. I'll see you in another interesting video. Bye bye. Have a great day. God bless you.
மறக்காம சர்ப்ரைஸ் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you.